Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create smooth pan and zoom effects for images in Canva. Let's get started. First, upload or select your image. For this example, let's use a screenshot. Click to add it to your page. Adjust the image size to match the page dimensions. Click Show Page Thumbnails. Duplicate the current page. Now, shrink the preview window. In the preview window, zoom into the image and reposition it into a corner on the duplicated page. Duplicate the page again. Move the image to simulate panning. Repeat this process. Duplicate pages. Resize the image larger or smaller and reposition it to create dynamic movement. Next, duplicate the first page original size and place it at the end of your sequence. Hover between the pages and click Add Transition. In the left panel, select Match and Move for smooth pan and zoom transitions. Adjust the transition duration for seamless movement. Click Apply between all pages to apply the transition globally. Now, click Edit Timing and set each page's duration to 3 seconds. Preview your project. The image will zoom into specific areas, pan across the screen, zoom out to specific areas, pan across the screen, and return to its original state. And that's it, a quick, easy way to add dynamic motion to your designs. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.